natin, na-hack pa rin. Ang lala niyan, yan yung isa sa pinakamalalang attack na nakita. Grabe yung ano nila, 300 million. By the way, yung Medusa is international group yan. International hacking group. Na ganyan talaga yung gawain nila. Is pag-hack ng mga para magbigay ng ransom. Next. Ito na. The Cyber Prevention Crime Act of 2012, also known as Republic Act number 10175. The Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012, Republic Act 10175, was enacted quickly due to several urgent factors, including the rising cybercrime incidents, the lack of existing legal framework, and increasing public and government concerns over online security. One notable push the law passage was the I Love You virus created by Filipino programmer in 2000. This virus infected million computers while causing billion damage. Since Philippine legal has no, at that time, was not charged for yung Cybercrime Prevention Act, alam naman natin to, yung I Love You virus na ginawa ni De Guzman. Si De Guzman na ngayon is phone technician na sa Quiapo. Ayan. I Love You virus. Isa siyang, di siya actually type ng virus eh. Basta bot siya. Bot file. Nang ginagawa niya is pag inopen mo, yung file na yun is masisend din sa mga nakasave sa contacts mo. Ganun lang ang pinaka ginagawa niya. Wala pa tayong batas nun tungkol sa cybercrime, kaya kahit bilyon ang nawala sa ibang bansa like Octagon, ganun, walang magawa ang Pilipinas kasi walang batas pa nun. Kaya dito na buo yung Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. Isa yan sa pinakarason. May nauna pang enacted na batas nun. Nalimutan ko lang kung ano yun. Basta May 2001 yun. At, sa section 2 niya is the state recognizes the importance of information and communication technology or ICT and its role in nation building. The Act seeks safeguard integrity and confidentiality of computer system network data while balancing individual rights and public order. Ayan. Sa section 4 is yung cybercrime offense. Ayan. Ito yung mga tinatalakay kung ano yung mga pwede mong malabag na batas. Ayan. Through online. Illegal access, unauthorized access to a computer system. Like ako, kunwari, yung kakilala ko is ginamit ko yung computer niya nang walang paalam. Isa na yon, illegal access na agad yun. Illegal interception, unauthorized interception of communication. Yan, yung mga SMS, something like that, ganun, na yung mga hacker is yung nahihila nila yung SMS papunta sa kanila, hindi sa mobile number natin. Yun. Data interference, alteration, deletion, or deterioration of computer data. Yan yung mga walang paalam na pagbubura ng mga file, data. System interference, disruption of computer system or network. Yan, alam naman natin yan. Misuse of device, possession of distribution of hacking tools. Yan, mga SMS bomber, mga jammer, signal booster, yan, kasama yun doon actually. Cyber squatting, using domain name identical or confusingly similar to a registered trademark. Yan, parang yung Facebook. Yan, hindi ka pwedeng magpangalan ng website na Facebook. Ganon. Computer-related offense. Input or alteration of data to mislead. Yan. Yan yung pag-i-input ng mga data para may ma-mislead na tao. Ganon. Computer-related fraud and alteration causing damage. Alam na natin yan. Computer-related identity theft, misuse of another personal data. Yan. Yan. Isa yan sa pinaka number 1 actually. Mga naga-identity theft online. Dami yan. Content-related offense. Cybersex, child pornography, solicited commercial communication, or libel. Libel, yan. Yan ang paborito ng mga public officials. Libel, defamation through ICT. Section 8, ano yung mga penalty niya? Yan. Walang specifies penalty for each offense ranging from fines to imprisonment depending on severity of the crime. Pwedeng patawan ka lang ng parusa na ikaw ay magbabayad sa tao or kumpanya, or pwede ka ring makulong depende sa kung gaano kalala yung crime na ginawa mo under Cybercrime Prevention Act. Section 9 is corporate liability. Corporations or entities are liable for cybercrime connected with their benefit by individuals acting on behalf of themselves. Dami yan actually. Yan yung mga lalo na yung mga naninira ng ibang company. Ganon. Dami yan. Law enforcement authorities. Ano yung mga pwedeng lapitan ng mga taong na biktima? Yan. NBI or National Bureau of Investigation and Philippine National Police as primary agency for implementing the act. Meron silang mga cybercrime group, ganon. Yan sa Pangasinan at Ilocos Region meron tayong Northern Luzon Cybercrime Group. Yan. Sa Dagupan yan. Duties of law enforcement authorities. Ano yung mga dapat gawin nila? Investigate ng cybercrime. Gather electronic evidences. Yung mga magpapatunay. Siyempre. Preserve the integrity of collected data. Yan, panatilihin yung data na yon or gamit na yon para mapatunayan sa korte na nilabag talaga ng taong yon or kumpanyang yon yung Cybercrime Prevention Act na etong mga to, yan, mga offense na yan kung saan man dyan. Yun lang. Thank you.